All right, let's see what $75 at Walmart gets us. Bought 2 cans of pork and beans. Due date 4/23. Not due date, Best Buy date. Good for a lot longer than that. Now on this first stuff, I'm just topping off my shelves. That's why I got 1 can of chili beans. 3 cans of hot dog chili sauce. I put this in chili sometimes. It's pretty good. Canned cheddar cheese. Not too bad. Pretty good storage life. It will last beyond 2022. Velveeta cheese sauce. I like this stuff. Now, if you take Velveeta cheese sauce, some rotel, and put some hamburger in it, makes a perfect chip dip. I thought I'd get another one of these. Some macaroni. Never hurts to get a couple salmon. What I like about salmon, look at that Best Buy date on there. 9/25. That's probably good for 10 years at least, if stored properly. Sweet Baby Ray's. Sweet Baby Ray's. Oh yeah, this stuff is good. 10/22. I've got some vinegar. The whole reason for my shopping trip was to buy ketchup and mustard, and this is what I ended up with. That's all right. Always use it. This ketchup and mustard is not in my working pantry. It's my storage pantry items. Sweet pickles. Those pickles, I use those in making ham salad. Pure vanilla extract. It's funny how they say it's good till 10/23, I think it says. It's pretty much good forever. Let's go to the other side. Can never go wrong buying sugar and flour. Crackers, short-term storage. They don't really keep very long. They are not a prepper food. I like this spaghetti right here. I vacuum seal, and this goes in jars a lot better than the full length spaghetti. And also 2 boxes of instant potatoes. Some brown sugar. Powdered sugar. I don't use powdered sugar very much, but it comes in handy when you need it. 2023.